Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How are you all this afternoon? Well, what a day. One of the most dramatic days we've ever had on the markets. As you can all see, Tesla crashed today. We've been going sideways all day. We are starting to see an upturn. In the last few minutes, things are improving. We are seeing things get better quite quickly as well as we go now into the last hour or so of the markets. Google, of course, reporting tonight. It's all been about Tesla and Elon Musk and high-tech earnings today. We've got Microsoft and Google. Any minute now, the information will be out. Even though the presentation isn't until after hours, we will start getting it coming out. And it might actually come out during the show and people will start reporting it. Here we go. All right, we're in for one hell of an afternoon live here on the Day Trader. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you are here. Give us a thumbs up. We've got one heck of a day today. We've lost a lot of money today. We've managed to buy a lot of dips. But how low do you go? How tight does it get? 10.010 Robinhood. We got 20 shares. We want to sell at 10.26. We want to take some profits. Absolutely. Tesla is now starting to come back up again. It's been going sideways all day. The overall portfolio, Lucid, is now moving up for the first time. DWAC, I wanted to cover this with you. Remember what I said to you about last night? I brought a video out about this, that I said that DWAC, the Truth Social, would absolutely collapse now after Twitter. What you've seen today is a protest vote, pumping up and then dumping back down again. Be very, very careful. Do not invest in this. It's up to you. This is not financial advice, but I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. Anyway, it's up to you what you do. Let's go over now to the overall portfolio. Just over 40,000 now, was 39, getting better. Just left my interview with Sherman Williams. I was stumbling over the questions a little bit, but hopefully I got the job. Nicholas Morello, we wish you the very, very best. Nicholas Morello is trying to get a job today at Sherwin Williams, the paint shop, the paint manufacturer, and we will, when everyone comes in, we will wish you well. I'm sure everybody will do that when they come into the show, and we wish you the very, very best. Absolutely right. Vanguard is down today. The S&P, I did buy a dip this morning. I put some more money in it, bought another 5 shares of it. So we took advantage of this dip this morning. Rivian is down today. There's a lot of dips right now. Virgin Galactic, 794, popped back up again. Doing a lot better than it was earlier. Amazon's heading back up. Thanks, mate. You're very, very welcome. Very, very welcome indeed. Welcome to our new silver member, Jez Oldfield. He became a new member today. We've now got, 55 members? Incredible. And if it wasn't for the members, we wouldn't exist, of course. Nvidia is up in the last couple of hours. Meta had a big push up today. Very, very nice. We had a swing as low as, what was that there? 4%. We've gained 3.5% today. There we go with Meta. Very, very nice indeed. Gores Guggenheim, we're out of that now. We've only got 1 share left. PayPal has had an improvement today. Immersion, On, Rolls-Royce, Boeing, all disastrous today. Apple is trading sideways now. We're all preparing. Google has been lifting off all day. It was as down as low as 3.5%. So we've gained 2% on Google this afternoon. That's good. A lot better than it was. Coca-Cola is improving. Ethereum going sideways. Bitcoin going sideways. What a day. What a day. Got very, very close to the bottom for me. Very, very quiet in the show right now. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. It's a disastrous day today. I can see that. For everybody, a lot of pain this morning. We did a 4-hour show this morning. A 4-hour show. Let me just check all my screens around the studio. Yep, we're all good. Over there on TikTok, how are you all doing? Come and join us here on YouTube. This is YouTube broadcast here. The links are in the profile. Come and join us. We've got a big cash giveaway on Friday. It's only on YouTube, though. You need to come and join us on YouTube. Simon Jones, it's the calm before the storm. Let's hope it's the calm before the calm, all right? What's Visa doing? I'm driving. They are reporting to earnings today as well. I'll have a quick look for you. I'll have a quick look. Let me go into my main portfolio and let me have a look for you. You want to know what Visa are doing? I'm very happy to report that. Hang on. Visa. V-I-S-A. Visa. Visa is down 2.91, just pretty much in line with everything else, to be honest. Nothing particularly special about that at all. Robinhood has been improving all day long. 10.05. I've got 10.06. I want to try and get out. Same with Tesla. I want to try and sell one if I can. 8.92. It's been going sideways all day. DWAC, like I said, pump and dump. Remember I told you about the Truth Social? It's a joke. It's awful. The platform is awful. Now Twitter is out and open source. You don't need it. Don't need DWAC. Don't need Truth Social. So there you go. It pumped and dumped. The moment the news came out this morning, filtered out into the world about Elon Musk with Twitter, up went DWAC. It's a protest vote. The Donald Trump supporters pump it up and then they dump it. They dump it all over each other. It's crazy. Up, down, be very, very careful. It's a pump and dump stock. It all trends on Truth Social, and Truth Social now has no place. It won't do anything at all. Look at it. It's a pump and dump. Awful. Don't touch it. It's not financial advice. I'm just telling you I wouldn't do it. Bean Love Life is here. Hi, how are you doing? Lovely to have you here. Now, some of you may have watched the wrong video for this Friday's competition. I want to make sure everyone's got it. This is the video for Friday's competition. If you do go and watch this now, make sure you watch all the way to the end. It's only 3 minutes, but you will be disqualified from the contest. The video knows you've not watched all of it. You need to like and leave the comment. Some of you have watched the wrong video. I want to make sure everyone does it. If you want to go off for 3 minutes, come back. Watch the whole of it. If you don't watch the whole of it, it won't count. You can leave 20 comments. It makes no difference. If you've not watched all of it, it won't count. There is the video. I'll post it 3 times in the chat so you can all see it. Some of you had the wrong one. We were posting the wrong one this morning. So I just want to make sure if you want to be in the competition for Friday, the cash giveaway, you've watched all of that video. That is the correct video. There was a wrong video posted this morning. Okay, coming back to Robinhood. We're trying to make a trade with Robinhood. We're trying to get out of Tesla, one share, if not 2 today. Trim down. Market bad today. Market bad today. That's an understatement. It's one of the worst days we've ever had. My portfolio was down at 1.10%. 10% in one day. That's the biggest drop I've ever had. Up to today, it was about 6.5. Today, 10. Worst, and the worst month I've ever had. Worst week I've ever had. It's been a very, very difficult time. Virgin Galactic is down 5% today, 790. Twitter. We're looking at Google. Of course, after hours tonight, we are doing the earnings report. Well, maybe better tomorrow. Well, it's all about Elon Musk today using debt from Tesla to buy Twitter. That's what's happened here today on the markets. That's why the markets are so down on Tesla, which drove everything down. And also, we're waiting to hear what the earnings will be like for Google. And that's coming up very, very shortly today, later on in the show. And that's what we're all waiting for. That's what we're waiting for this afternoon. Google reports tonight. If it's bad, it's going to go down worse tomorrow. If it's good, it'll be a rescue package. We have to hope it's good. It's not just Google, it's Microsoft as well. Microsoft and Google are both reporting. A few news articles I was reading last week were saying how we can see a big market reversal after the big names reports earnings. Absolutely. Because all the market is confidence. When we know what's going on, when we know what Google and Microsoft are doing, then the markets know where they're going and they will recover. Because people don't want to lose money. People only make money when you buy in. You buy in and invest, you make money. That's how it works. Everybody wants to make money, right? So when we know where we're going, people should buy in. So should I buy Microsoft? Let's have a little look. Let's have a little look. Let me have a little look. How is Microsoft today? I've not looked at it all day, and I should do, really. Okay. Microsoft. Just like everything else, look, down. Everything's been down today. Let me have a little look. It's been down for the week. It's been down for the month. It's been down over 3 months. It's down over the year. It's up 4%, which is nothing for Microsoft. Yeah, if you look at it, there's the 2020 dip. It's bigger than that. It's bigger than that. We were at 395%. That's 395% drop there. If we go from there, 164. Yep, it's a bigger drop than we had in 2020. So yeah, not a bad time to buy a Microsoft. You're absolutely right. Microsoft, of course, is part of VU. If I go to my VU, not if I actually look at what's in there, technology. Apple, Microsoft, there. Microsoft is a 6%. 6%. So I'm already in Microsoft through VU. That's the point. I'm already in Microsoft. Don't actually have to own it. I own 6% of Microsoft. 6% of my money is already with Microsoft. It is already with Microsoft. Here he is. I'm still sick to my words. This week is a green week. I am still sticking to my words. This is a green week. Paper hands will sell and holders. And Peru, we all missed you this morning. Everyone was asking, how are you? Okay, Elon is here. What a day it's been. I've been buying the dips, struggling like crazy, keeping everybody calm. Got very, very close to my margin, extremely close. The closest I've ever been. My markets are down today, big time. It's been our worst day, no question. No question about it today. It's been our worst day ever. I don't think there's a dividend, I'm pretty sure. Oh, there is a dividend with Microsoft. Oh, there is. Okay. There we go. I've put Microsoft on the books. Another after good today. Peru is the man. Remember, April is tax month. I do work for governor, so you all can connect the dots. After is in mass play, right? Been a very, very tough day. I actually did a 4-hour show, Peru, today. 4 hours. We had market profit on here, pledging he would never come on the show again. He said for 3 months, he would take 3 months off. He was really upset with the markets, and I said, well, this channel is here to support people. It's here today to help people. And he said because of the way the markets are, he just can't be part of it, which I didn't understand. No one could understand it. But there you go. That's what he said today. It was a very dramatic day. I have held. I've bought the dips. I am all in. No one could be more in than me. To be honest, and there you go. Peru for president after a mass play, right? Well, we're all hoping so. It's been a very tough day. It's got as low as it could go for me. Well, not as low as it can go. That's a ridiculous statement. All right. If you just tuned in, we've got what's going on. Only 7 likes. That's terrible. Without the likes, YouTube will not suggest the video. Smash the like button, please, everybody. You've just come in. Everyone like the video. We need to get the likes up. Checking all my screens are good. There we go. Smash the like button, folks. Otherwise, I'll go on strike. Remember, invest only what you can afford to lose. This is a perfect opportunity for dollar cost averaging. It is. Robinhood down. I tried to trade on Robinhood today. I tried to make money on Tesla today. I've gone from 9 to 12. Gained 3 shares of Tesla today. I bought the dip on VU. I bought the dip on Lucid. I bought the dip on Hood. We talked about DWAC, pump and dump. What a joke. Talked about it earlier. Right. We are waiting for one of the biggest nights on the market ever that I've ever had in the year I've been here. Google. We are coming up now. Any minute now, the news will come out. We are doing the after hours. You know, I was looking for IonQ on YouTube and your channel comes up. That's great. Peru. I want to tell you something even better than that. Something even better than that. I am now number 2 in the... In fact, I'll show you now. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to do it live on the show right now. SPCE stock. SPCE stock. And I want to show you something. I've had people verifying and checking this around the world, so I know it's right. I want to share something with you because I know you're helping the channel grow, and I appreciate it. You and the world of Dubai can collaborate. The Wolf of Dubai, you mean, right? The Wolf of Dubai. I've actually reached out to him. He's commented on a few of my videos. He hasn't taken me up yet on my offer to do a collaboration. I've invited him to be on the show. Mr. Beast always tells everybody, always share. You always win if you share. Right, look at this. I was actually number 2 earlier, but if you type into YouTube, SPCE stock, CNBC television is number 1 in the world right now. I was actually number 2 earlier. I'd beaten CNBC. The Day Trader, a brand new channel, not even a year old, is now in 3rd place for the search term. SPCE stock. I was way below 100. I'm now 3rd in the world. Yesterday I was 2. I actually was ahead of CNBC yesterday. I'm going to keep going until I'm number 1 and stay at number 1. Look at that. Peru, look at that. I'm ranking now for lots, but that's my best one. That's the SPCE stock is my best ranking. Right, this is not, well, Wolf of Dubai is a greedy man and he won't give in, we won't give him money. Yeah, he tries to sell all these training programs, which I will never do. I'm always free. You can be a member, support the channel, then you get lots of perks, but I will never charge for the services. I never do that. I will never ever do a training program. No, I'm here for you. I sat here today live for 4 hours because the members were, everybody understandably was upset today. A lot of upset people today, and I kept going for 4 hours to support everybody. Peru Invest. Hi, Martin. Good evening. Welcome, welcome, welcome. 36,000 is margin. Look at that. 3,000 to go, Peru. $3,000 to go. I've been buying the dips. I've been standing by the channel. Been standing by Elon Musk and Tesla, but it's very, very difficult now. Very, very difficult. Google. We don't want Google to... It's been going up all day and now it's going down. We don't want that just before the bell go. Just before the earnings. You'll be in the first place. You'll be first. You will be the first space stock channel soon. Yeah, I hope so. We're doing everything we can. Space to 100 by end of year. That's what I've been saying. Lots of videos are coming out like that as well. Yesterday was a record-breaking day. I did 10 short videos, 3 live videos, and 3 videos yesterday. Record-breaking day yesterday. Absolutely awesome. And we got, our channel is blowing up with numbers all the time. Hi all. A quick look at our subscribers. Look, you'll see right now, 2,925, 2,926. We're gaining a subscriber now nearly every 5 minutes. Nearly every 5 minutes we're gaining a subscriber. It's getting faster and faster. And what was really nice was I received about 20 comments from the Wolf of Dubai's video fans, his subscribers, who said they prefer this channel. They love the channel, and they love what I'm doing. It's positive, and they love it. Basically what you said. So it's very, very nice. Really appreciate it very much. And there you go. People really liked it. Now today we've got 2 things happening. We're going through to the close, and we're hoping to see things improve as we go into the close. It's what we need to happen. Also, we're then going to take a short break, and then we're back at 4:30 for the earnings report. Google, we're doing Google. We could do Microsoft, but we're going to do Google instead. It's a 50-50 choice. I'm doing Google. And how close? Peru, yeah, 36,000. 36,000. We're on 39 right now. It's been a very, 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 very tough day. Very, very tough day. Anyway, we're going to do the, there you go. You can see where we are right now. Not looking good. So basically what we got, that's the live position, the day position right there. At the end of the show, we've got Google earnings. And then I've been invited to attend a Lions Club meeting. Where I'm presenting and talking about Elon Musk, artificial intelligence, the future, and crypto. I'm presenting to a Lions Club. I'm going to film it tonight. I'm going to film it, and then I'll bring that to you in a few days' time. The meeting at the Lions Club tonight. All right, so I'm the day trader today, representing at the Lions Club. So wish me well. Hopefully it will go well. What happens when you get that? What happens? I don't trade with margin, so it doesn't mean... well, what happens if you get a margin call? It's not the end of the world. You don't go to prison. You don't lose your house. Nothing. No one comes knocking on your door. What happens is they say to you, the brokerage will say to you, okay, you've gone as low as you're allowed to go. You can't go any lower. The money you're borrowing is secured on your assets, your shares. All right. So what they do is they would say to you, you need to sell some of the shares that you've got to cover some of the margin, not all of it. They won't say you got to cover the whole lot. They'll say you got to cover some. You got to sell some shares to cover that, or you put more money in to pay it off that way, one way or another. And so you don't have to find the money. It's not like you got to go dig a hole in the garden or sell your house. The money's already here in your stocks. All right. And if I sold if I sold everything to cover margin, my balance would still be the same. Because they never add the balance to the balance. All right, my 39,455 doesn't include margin. They don't put the money on the top. You just buy stocks with their money. So the profit or loss is all that counts. So if I sold all of my stocks that I bought to pay off the margin, I would still have 39,441. I would still be at 39,441 because my own money, my own stocks, and so on and so forth. All right, that's how it works. Okay, that's how it works. So, and oh, thank you. Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. And I've got a nice latte to cheer me up. Oh, Leah, can I have a sugar, please? No, don't apologise. Don't apologise for making me a nice latte. My wife just forgot to put a sugar in it. I like it with 1 brown sugar, raw sugar. Thank you very much. Shall I move it over there? There you go. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, lovely job. There we go. Just going to stir that up a little bit. Just having a latte. There we go. That's better. Which one's that, Leah? A regular latte. Yeah, like that. Okay, so what we have to do now is we have to take some profits out. It doesn't matter how great I think Tesla is or how great I think anything is. I've got to make some profits. Whether I like it or whether I don't, I have to. As much as I would like to keep my 12 shares of Tesla at an average of 871, I can't do that, all right? If one pops up now to 950, I've got to sell it, put that money back in the bank. That's what I got to do. In case it should fall again. I have to do that, all right? So it's difficult right now. So we're waiting now for the close. Do not want to see Google crash all the way back down again. It's going to be a buy in May and hip hip hooray. It's going to be buy in May, hip hip hooray. Here he is, John Frank. John Frank, SPCE. I now rank number 2 in the world. I was number 2 earlier. I'm number 3 now. For SPCE stock. I'm trying to get that back. I'm really working hard I want to be number 1 for SPCE stock. I want to rank number 1 for that. And apparently I rank number 1 in the UK, but in the US I'm number 2, and today I'm number 3. It keeps changing between 2 and 3. Anyway. Hi, Muzanella. Here's Muzanella. How are you, mate? Now, Peru agrees with you, Muz. Muz is very confident. Muz thinks it'll be okay at the end of the week. So does Muzanella. Sorry, so does Peru. Peru feels the same. If anybody becomes a member during the show, this is what happens. If you become a subscriber, this is what happens. If anybody wants me to go to the piano and do a live song, this is what happens. You give a super chat, and all you got to do is donate 99 cents, $1, and I go to the piano and calm everything down with some soft music. Or $10, you get one of my voices. I do 14 voices, impressions, 7 different languages, and I can go to the piano and do a song for you. All right. What about Rocket Man by Sir Elton John? That costs $10 if you want it. All right, here we go. So we are now down watching very closely. We've got 15. We've only got 9 likes. Something's really peculiar with the show today. We've never had 9 likes. What's going on? What's going on? Everybody like the channel. We've got a good number of watching. Subscriber, ring the bell. Peru is like a psychic. He's right quite often in this crazy market. Yes, he is. Give us a thumbs up. We need 20 likes before the bell goes. We've only got 8. Very weird. Very, very weird. Oh, that's better. 8, 9, 10, 11. All of a sudden came up to 11. That's better. We're getting better. All right. So Virgin Galactic 785. We're just holding at the moment. Robinhood 3.9. Tesla's been going sideways all day, down 11%, 888. If you are, I think, Chinese or Japanese, 888 is a lucky number. Look at that, 888. There we go. Tesla is now $888. You never thought you'd see that price again, right? Market profit won't even watch. He said, I'm not going to be here anymore. Can't do it. I'll see you in 3 months. That's what he said. That's what he said live on the show today. Right. The S&P 500's going down again. I bought the dip. Can't buy any lower. Can't do any more. We've got half an hour to the close. Oh, man, this is a tough, tough time. Meta is down as well. Everything popped up, and now everything's gone back down again. I thought we were going to... Oh, dear, look at it now. Now Apple's going down again. Google. Do you know what really gets me? I checked something today, and this will blow your mind. Are you ready to have your mind blown? This will blow your mind, and I can't work it out. I cannot work this out today. This is one thing that has absolutely blown my mind. Look at this. The stock markets around the world. Are you ready to have your mind completely blown? This will confuse you like you've no idea. Talk about... Can anyone see anything wrong with that? Can anyone see what's wrong with that? Look at that. Can you see anything wrong with that? I need to make a video on it. In fact, I will make a video on it once everybody's noticed what I'm seeing. What do you see on there? I'm waiting for a comment. Hiya, Tom. I need everybody to comment. US only. No, look. Way more than the US. Way more. This actually angers me. This angers me. The meme stick is up. What is the meme stick? Can anyone see what's wrong with that? No one's commented. We are... I mean... This makes me angry. We have got Russia, who we are attempting to sanction and bankrupt and everything else, and their stock market is up. It's up by over 3%. What the hell is going on? Doesn't that make everybody angry? We are all suffering here because of Vladimir Putin potentially starting a third world war. And look, the US markets are down. The UK market is pretty flat. But the Russian market, how the hell is the Russian market up by 3% when the US is down by 2.5%? What the heck is going on? How the hell can Russia, when we're putting every sanction in the world on them, they're attempting a third world war and their markets are up and we are down? What the hell is going on? Martin, the elite rich Republicans like Putin and hate. I don't know what that means, Nicholas. I'm sorry. You need to explain what you mean. I didn't even know what MOEX was. Yeah, it's the Moscow Stock Exchange. It's the Moscow Stock Exchange. It's up 3%. Would someone explain that to me? Would Musadella explain? So I'm going to make a video on this. Because this blows my mind. Where is it? 33 minutes. 33 minutes. 33 minutes. 33 mins. And here we go. Moscow. Okay. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Look at these exchanges around the world. What do you see wrong with this? We are currently fighting an economic war with Russia, and yet the Moscow Exchange is up 3.18% today, when all markets around the world, including the UK, is pretty flat, but the US markets are down. Look. How is that even possible? Today we've seen all the high-tech markets crash. My portfolio is down 10%. Tesla is down 10%. But if you have money in the Moscow Exchange, you are up 3.18%. Would somebody kindly comment below this video and tell me why that is the case. How can the Moscow exchange be up today when the whole world is sanctioning Russia and we're doing everything we can to drive their markets down, and yet they're up and the US is down? Leave your comments below. I would love to know your thoughts on this video. I will reply to everyone's comments and I will make a video on your comments. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, there we go. Just a little video there. I'll put that out later. I want to know what the hell's going on there. I have. All you need to do is watch the All In podcast or Fox News to realize that 1% are pro-Putin. That's why Russia's 1% are pro-Putin. Only 1% are pro. I realize to realize that the 1% are pro-Putin. That's 1%. I don't know what you mean. Surely that doesn't make sense. Martin, did I miss the Discord news segment? No, we've not been talking about that, Tom. We haven't mentioned it. We've been focusing on the markets at the moment. So no, we haven't done that yet. Money moves markets, and it's clear the 1% elite are voting for Putin with their money. Very, very odd. Martin, read my stuff. Okay, Caden Youngquist, trying to get the little guy to sell so big boys make bank. Hang on a minute. Big shorts trying to scare the little guys, saying a big crash is coming. So the big guys can make even more money on their shorts. Oh, I believe that. I believe that's what the market manipulation is all about. But I don't know. I don't understand why Russia is up and the US is down. I mean, people in Russia are making money today, and people in the US are losing money. What's going on there? What's going on there? Start a war, threaten the world with World War III, and make more money. What's going on there? Unbelievable. Tesla's trading sideways. We've got 20 minutes to go. Lucid going sideways. DWAC, told you. I told you all about DWAC earlier. Now Elon Musk has bought out Twitter. He's already invited back Donald Trump. DWAC is a complete dead loss. What you're seeing today, for the first time in days, when the whole market is down, is protest votes for Donald Trump. Because Elon Musk has welcomed Donald Trump back onto Twitter. And where would you rather be? Twitter or Truth Social? I've already deleted my account. I'm deleted my account on Truth Social. It's useless. It's pointless. So what's happened today on the news of Elon Musk buying Twitter and making it open source and everyone's welcome back, including Donald Trump? Everybody goes, no, we got to keep Truth Social. Everyone's buying in. It pumps, it dumps. And it will keep going up and down like a yo-yo. Do not get into this. This is just a protest vote for Truth Social. Truth Social doesn't work. I've got it. It never worked. It was useless. Waste of time. And basically, Donald Trump, if he wants to tweet, he should go back on Twitter. He's welcome back. That's what he should do. But what we've got here is pro-Trump supporters who will buy the stock, and then Democratic supporters will short it. It'll go up and down like a yo-yo. So be very, very wary of your putting your money on that. That has no reason why it's pumped up. Everything is down today apart from DWAC. That makes no sense at all. It's purely protesting. I'm sorry to be leaving the family so abruptly, but I was absolutely disheartened. Nobody listened to me. For Market Profit. Here he is, Market Profit. I'm so sorry for leaving the family so abruptly. We were just talking about you. I was absolutely disheartened. Nobody listened to me for the last month. It saddens me to watch good people lose money after so many warnings. Market Profit, we appreciate you, you've been right. No question. Whether, obviously, the markets won't go down forever, but you're absolutely right. I'm just a few $1,000s away from margin call. You're absolutely right. It's been awful. Let's read this out. What if Trump and Elon do something together with Twitter and Truth Social? You don't need Truth Social. Truth Social is basically a bad version of Twitter. I've got Truth Social. It's rubbish. It doesn't work. Nothing happens. Everyone just follows you because they all want to be famous. No one comments, no one shares, no one engages. Everybody just follows me. If you follow me, I'll follow you. Everyone follows everybody. It's pointless. And there's no need, because now Twitter's the biggest platform in the world. Just use Twitter. I mean, why would you even bother? If Twitter now gives you the open source and allows everyone to speak freely, why would you even bother with another one? Pointless. Pointless. That's why it's slow, because Trump maybe is in talk to do a deal with Elon. Who knows? I've no idea. The technology isn't working. It's pointless. Forget it. So the DWAC protest votes is just a joke. Don't do it. Anyway. We have got the biggest night we've ever had tonight on the markets. Are we going to hit margin? We'll find out in the next couple of hours, because basically what's going to happen is Google is going to report. Here it is. We're heading up to it. Any minute now, the figures will be out. We will have the presentation. We will be there live tonight at 4:30. We will be there live tonight for it tonight. We'll be watching it. And we will preview the earnings call tonight. They are just like Netflix. They're putting it on. They're putting it on YouTube. I can't believe they're doing that, but they are. They are putting it on YouTube. Surprises me, that does. But anyway, this is where it will be. It will be here, and I will bring it to you. Right. No need to watch it on the YouTube channel. It'll be coming through my channel, so we can talk about it afterwards, and we can all be in together. If you watch it over here, of course, you'll be in with millions of people, and no one will get their say or anything. But there we go. It starts at 4 p.m. actually, so I'm going to go early. It's at 4 p.m. All right, it's at 4 p.m. I beg your pardon. They're doing it earlier. I thought it was 4:30. Right, 4 p.m. Perfect. So that's even better for me, so I can get to the Lions meeting. Anyway, so there we go. That's coming up tonight. If you're over on TikTok, come and join us on YouTube. This is where we are right now, the biggest night on the stock market for a very long time. Elon Musk has used his debt to buy Twitter. That's crashed the stock market. 10% down on Tesla. Other markets now have followed suit. We've got the biggest tech companies tonight, Microsoft and Google, reporting. So it's a big night on the markets tonight. We're right at the limit. This is the biggest night on the biggest night ever on my account. Come and join us. But no matter what happens, Caden, here is the competition video for Friday. We are still giving away a cash prize on Friday. You do not have to be a member. It's free. Anyone can be in the cash prize on Friday. There you go. There is the video you need to watch. If you only watch the first part, it will not register for your chance to win. You need to watch the whole video, like it, and comment like it tells you in the video. I'll post it one more time. It's free to enter. Anyone can do it. It's Friday. The rules of the competition are below the video in the description. Excuse me. And you can be in to win the cash prize. I do it every Friday. Every Friday I give a cash prize away. eTORO. eTORO suck. Excuse me. I hiccup then. That's direct. Someone's going to clip that, aren't they? I just hiccup live on the show. There you go. That's the first time that's ever happened. All right. So anyway, Robinhood, we're trying to 995 now. Look at Robinhood collapsed. I'm trying to trade a share, 30 shares of Hood. Tesla is 887. eTORO, yeah, it's not my favorite either. It's not my favorite, I have to say. Apple will be a catalyst for the start of the real leg down. Market profit, here he goes. Now then, we've not been listening. It's hard. I don't know what to say. Apple will be the catalyst for the start of the real leg down. They already said they are laying people off and have had extreme supply chain issues and substantially lower demand for iPhones. There we go. Apple. Well, today, of course, we're not talking about Apple. Their earnings report comes up in April 28th. 2 days' time. April 28th. It's another big one. Their expectations are down. They always exceed expectations, or nearly always. So hopefully we shall see. That'll be very interesting. Thank you, Market Profit. I'm so glad you're back. So glad you're back. Be with us, you know, as disastrous as it is. We are here together. We go down together. All right? Be there. I mean, it's important, right? You know, I did a 4-hour show today because a lot of people after you went were getting really stressed and really upset, including myself. I will tell you that now, right off the bat. Subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. We've got 15 likes and 20 watching. We need 20 likes. We've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. Are we going to get any sort of recovery? We've got Google tonight reporting. If Google tonight reports disastrous, it's going to be a very, very hard day tomorrow. I am not happy either, but I have to stay positive. Yes, I know. That's it. We've got to stay positive. It's the only way. Could be a lot worse. You could be living in Ukraine right now. Nobody came back to me. Peru, Muzanella, no one explained to me about those exchanges. How can Russia be up today and the US down? Blows my mind. Blows my mind. That does. DWAC's playing its games again. You want to enter the casino, go to DWAC. You might win some money. Microsoft down. And Google, every stop lurking at your portfolio. Every stop looking at your portfolio. If you don't look at it, it doesn't. Every stop looking at your portfolio. If you don't look at it, it doesn't hurt. I don't know what that means, Nicholas. Maybe Russia sold its holdings in American markets and put it into the... Yeah, maybe that's right. I have no bloody idea. Seriously, it's a joke. It's terrible. Who knows? Right. 39.1. Oh my gosh. Everyone stop looking at your portfolio. If you don't look at it, there you go. I think Google and Microsoft will be flat, which will be negative, but not horrific. Apple is the harbinger for what is in store. I'm afraid to say it will trigger the first circuit breaker since 2020. Always look on the bright side of life. Don't worry, be happy. Yeah, but I mean, I get what Market Profit's saying. You got to be positive. I get that. I'm the most positive person in the world. But it's painful. I really was hoping I would get something out of Tesla today. Very disappointed by Tesla. Very disappointed. I do see it as great, but the trouble is I haven't got a bottom pit of money. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing to stop it. Nothing I can do. But wait. Yeah, 101 of trading. Buy when it's down. Absolutely. Absolutely. This is the time when when others are selling, you should be buying. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. This can turn up in a heartbeat. And that's the trouble with margin call, because they will sell you. They will sell out where you are. And if you're down, you're down. And then it pops up. Awful. It's not a good thing. Not a good thing at all. Okay, watch the giveaway. Fantastic. Did you watch the whole thing? Did you like it? And did you do the comment like it said, Caden? Did you do it? On Friday, if you're in the show, it'll be an automatic raffle. We'll pick a random person. You will see, yes, you did. Great. You will see it on Friday. It'll randomly pick someone on the screen. You'll see all the names spin around. It'll pick someone, and the winner will get the cash prize on Friday. All you got to do is be in on the show, and that's it. It's free to enter. Most pros say don't try and pick the bottom. Wait for it to show and hold strength. I think we need to try this next time. We got 10 minutes to go. What a day. Did you ever think, well, Market Profit did. I can imagine Market Profit's really struggling at home right now. He's telling everybody this was going to happen. He's been saying it day in and day out, as clear and as loud as he could. Well, Caden Youngquist, of course, we will remind you if you do win. Close already. Market's closed already. We've got another 10 minutes to go yet. Who thought that Tesla would drop 11% today? I was at 1,100. Could have sold it all and bought it back for 885. Wouldn't that have been great? But the upside is far greater. It's just whether you can hold on. Right, as we've got everybody here, I just wanted to mention one thing. Is Tom still here? CMB Studio. Very, very important. Just so we all know the rules of Discord. Every silver member and upwards can have their own channel. Please, if you have your own channel, please keep the subject of your channel in your channel. All right, that's the purpose of your channel. Don't put like, you know, if you've got a channel about fishing, don't put your fishing trips in Muzanella's tips or stock tips or what's on YouTube or whatever. Please keep that in your channel, all right? And then keep all the conversations on point. There are people who follow certain channels who don't want to follow other channels. So if you like Bill's channel, Bentley the Dog, you can go into Bentley the Dog and you can follow what Bill does with his drones and his dog. If you follow the premieres of the videos, or you follow Peru's tips, or you follow Muzanella's tips, or whatever it is you follow, it needs to be in that. General chit chat is exactly what that is. General chit chat. You're having a conversation, not just spamming, a conversation with everybody in the general chit chat. Have a conversation with your friends. That's what it's for. Don't use the general chit chat as a second place to post what you've already posted in your channel. If you post in your channel about, I've got a fishing channel and I post about fishing, keep that in the fishing channel. All right? You can't just post that in the general chit chat. That's why you have, because people who follow the general chit chat are following a conversation of everybody, not you repeating what you've already put in your own channel. Okay, you have your own channel. That's a place for your specific niche, your specific information. All right, very, very important that everybody abides by that. Otherwise, people will get fed up with following a channel and all they get is Martyn's fishing trips. All right, very, very important. So please do keep it all on point. If you want your own channel, just become a silver member and you get your own channel. And it's like Tom for CMB Studio, for example. He's a DJ and he promotes his music in his own channel. And he can chat with others about his music if anyone's interested and they're talking. But he doesn't just spam and put all his videos or links in the general chit chat. That's what his channel's for. And if nobody's following that channel or no one's engaging in that channel, it's because nobody wants to know. Then don't force it by sticking it in the general chit chat, because that's what the term of spam is. All right, very diplomatic, Martyn, not like me. All right, so that's how it works. Kind of obvious, really. Otherwise, the channel won't work anymore. It'll just become a spam and it won't work for nobody. It'll be useless. Lucid, there are other reasons. MOX looks attractive. That's the general, but that's the general reason why. Market profit. Yeah, we were discussing it a minute ago. Where is it? Market profit. The MOEX likely doing well because the ruble is stronger now than before sanctions. They are now seeing a lot of emerging markets leaving the USD, the CNY, and the ruble as an alternative. What? So Moscow, the ruble is doing well because people are leaving the USD and going into China and Russia. Why are people doing that? I thought the whole world was... I thought we were sanctioning Russia and we're all jumping on. I don't get it. Why would everybody be doing that? Russia are trying to start World War III. I thought we were all sticking together and people have decided emerging markets in Russia, let's go over there instead. What the hell? Am I missing the point or what? China and India currencies. So China and India are jumping, are backing Russia now, are they? Well, we knew China was. I don't know. So the way to get ahead in life is start a World War III, threaten to blow everybody up, and you do great. You remain in power, you kill as many people as you like. Brilliant. What on earth is going on? Amazing. And then we could start new markets and everybody will buy into it. We can't believe the leaders of this country anymore. Sanctions, yeah, right. Unbelievable. All I know, America has the most resource per capita. Let China and Russia go play. Their populations are so big compared to their resources. Their living standards would collapse overnight. Well, let's hope so. Let's hope so. That's the idea, isn't it? I thought that was the point. That we would make it uncomfortable for people in Russia so they would overthrow the government. I thought that was the point. Oil is the more powerful than the biggest armies in the world. Well, that's why we need Elon Musk to get rid of that nonsense. All right, we've got 3 minutes to go. Google, I'm buying Rio Tinto tomorrow. Roll on 9% dividends. Oh no! Look at Tesla. I can't buy any more. I can't follow it down anymore. I can't do anything else. It's got to turn around quick. I can't believe what's happening. I cannot believe what's happening. It's just absolutely tanking. I can't believe what's happening with Tesla. Keep going down and I will buy some more. Yeah, go to $1, I'll buy 1,000 shares of it. Remember, as the stocks go down, they become more and more attractive. All of a sudden, there are people waiting to buy it at all these levels. And all of a sudden, it will. Veru, still to watch tomorrow. Black currant pop, Veru, still to watch tomorrow. Sounds like I do most days. In a few months' time, we'll be fuming at ourselves. I know. Hang in there, Martin. I know. I won't be able to hang in there much longer. It'll be taken away from me. I mean, there's nothing we can do. The markets keep dropping. It's not up to me anymore. I don't know about this, about this time, Ali. The potential, the threat of war now is increasing by the second. And seeing Moscow make money like that is heartbreaking. There are people being wiped out, genocide in the Ukraine, and Moscow are making money out of it now. And we're all losing money. I'm completely and utterly baffled by what is going on right now. Completely and utterly baffled by what's going on. I don't have fear. I've never had fear. I'm not afraid of anything. Well, I'm afraid of physical pain. Yes. But I'm not afraid of this. It's horrible. Horrible to watch. You got a company that can change the world losing money, and you got DWAC, Donald Trump, messing around with a Truth Social joke, making money. It's heartbreaking. Microsoft. I know, Mike. I know what you're saying there, Mike. It's heartbreaking. I'm not fearful. I'm just disappointed and upset. I'd hate to be wiped out. But I will still be here, even if I'm nothing in the bank. They may have made 3% today. However, their market is down like 50% since the start of the... Yes, it is. But it should be going further down. What are we doing so the market can go up? All right, the market's closed. Here we go. What's going to happen now? Martyn, please sell on the next bounce and get out of margin. The next leg down will destroy people's lives. I have every intention of selling Tesla if it goes up. I have every intention. I just can't sell it. It won't let me out. I've almost lost 6,000 out of 20,000. Mike, we're all there. We're all there. We've got each other. We might have no money, but we can all turn on YouTube, right? This studio is paid for. I can sit here for free. I've been sitting here for free for a year, so I might as well carry on, right? We are now into the after hours. What is going to happen now? We've got Google about to report. Google is popping up. Where did that come from? Out of nowhere. Up 1% in the after hours. I personally trimmed a little from my space as nothing will happen for a few weeks. You're absolutely right. I get that. Apple is moving up. No one can sell down this much. We are all stuck. Get your pitchforks, boys. Yeah, I mean, if you sell now, you're just killing yourself. And the greatest investors, the greatest investors of all time will always tell you, do not sell into fear. If you've made the commitment to be in the stock, you believe in it, you stick it out and you buy dips. Sell on any strength. It's your last chance. I've got no strength. What is there? I've got $7 profit in Tesla. Sell all my Tesla. There you are. I'm losing money on Tesla for the very first time. Microsoft beats on revenue. Right. That's good. Scroll down. Market profit. It's your lot. Microsoft beats on it. Okay. Microsoft popping up. There we go. I just bought Microsoft. Going up. Okay. The news. Oh, it did for a second. Yes, go on. The news is good for Microsoft. Is the news good for Google? Market, I would rather hold for 5 years and sell down this much. I've just bought Microsoft. Microsoft popped up then for a moment. Yes, look. Microsoft is good. It's moved up. Apple will destroy all gains we see today. Google beats on revenue. Google beats on revenue. This is good news, right? Okay, that's good news. Tesla, stop falling. Tesla is still falling. Why do you say Apple will bring down the money? I don't understand why we're still going down when the reports are good. What is going on? The report is good with Google. Obviously we are going to do the earnings report tonight. Google is going down on a good report. What the hell is that all about? It's gone down 4% in the after hours. Apple is going to destroy all gain. I don't get it. Why is it going down 4%? What the heck is happening now? We've just got a good report and we've gone down 4%. Did I read that right? Google beats. Microsoft missed EPS. Well, there we go. Google had a good report and then it went down. 4% down. Dan, Nasdaq is still crashing, so I don't think it's all good. Where is the forecast? It's Microsoft missed. Google misses on EPS. Oh no, not good. Are you reading the report, Martin? We are doing the earnings report tonight. In 55 minutes, we are back with the earnings on Google. Yes, I thought it would be better. Look out below. I've been through 2 crashes in market before. I'm still here. 38. I will beat once a Republican gets... we don't do politics on the show. We leave that to you. I don't know anything about that. Being from England, I have no say on any of that anyway. Well, Google bounced right back. Look at Earnings Whisperer for up-to-date earnings reporting. I'm going to leave it for the minute because we're going to end the show in a few minutes anyway and prepare for the earnings. We've got the earnings. We are going to be live with Google with the earnings in 55 minutes. Let me give everybody the link. This is where we'll be. Let me just come out of that. Hang on. That's not where we want to be. Right, here we go. This is the Google earnings. We're all going to be here together, watching it, digesting it. It's on the homepage. You can all join me. I'm sure you all know how to find the link. But for those of you that can't find the link, we are going to be back. It says it in 82 minutes. We are going to be back earlier. Apparently, it's at 4 o'clock. I'll post it 3 times. You can go over there now and already get involved in that one. I will be there very, very soon. I'm going to end the show now, and we'll be over there very, very soon. Markets not like Biden. Yeah, I don't know anything about that, as I said before. Tomorrow may be a limit down day into a bad Apple earnings call. Martin, what you need and get out of my... I don't know how much more warning I can give you. $38. Robinhood going down. Tesla going down. Never seen anything like this. Wow. Yeah. It's difficult right now. This is my assumption. Hang in there and ride it out. Tesla still going down. Google down over 100 in after hours. This is difficult, guys. I'm 2,000 away from a margin call. What about 2020 when it went way down? If you want to hold, hold. If you have margin, you're absolutely insane. Super chat, one pound. Song, please. Song, please. Give me a song. Give me a song. All right. Well, it's a $1, so it's just piano. Just piano. Ali donated £1, so it's just piano. A 1 minute of piano. We'll keep an eye on Tesla. There we go. We're watching it. We'll change that to my portfolio. Oh my God. 1 minute on the piano. All right. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. Songs of fresh and new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. Songs of fresh and new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. Songs of fresh and new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. Songs of fresh and new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. Songs of fresh and new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song. I wish I could write a love song. Let's get back to the trading screen. All right. Thank you very much for those of you that... let me just change the lights a minute. Change the lights. That one, that one, that one, and that one. There we go. And in the last few minutes, we've seen a slight recovery. What does that mean? You just gained a new subscriber. You're a goat. You just gained a new subscriber. You're a goat. What does that mean? What does a goat mean? I have no idea what a goat means, but I don't get it. This is the toughest day ever on our show. It's real. It's live. 36,000 margin call. We've lost $20,000 from our 58,000 all-time high. Greatest of all. You're a greatest of all. Come on, Martin. Greatest of all time. Oh, great. Did we gain a subscriber, did we? Let's have a little look. Yeah. My margin call is at, I will tell you exactly the number, 35.4. 35.4. Here it is. $3,000 away. And in the last few minutes, we've seen some improvement. And apparently we gained a subscriber during that. Should we have a quick look? Let's have a little look. We got another super chat just coming from Mike. Wow. Let's have a look. 2926 2927. There we go. We can gain another subscriber. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks for the super chats. Thank you very much indeed for that. I would buy you a coffee. Well, that will buy me a coffee right there. $3,000 away from a margin call. No song required. Thank you. We are about to close the show. We have the earnings report we're all going to tune into. Google announces 70 billion stock buyback. This might mitigate some losses. Google coming back up again. Not much. Let's look at Microsoft. Yes, long term, but we have a very rough road ahead over the next 2 to 3 years. Microsoft has bounced back. Now, market profit. Obviously, I've never had a margin call. I've only been doing this for a while. As I understand it, and I want you to tell me, and anyone else who knows, As I understand it, margin call is when they say you've got to pay back the money you've used. Remember, the money I borrowed is not added to my total. That 38,000 is mine. That's my money. That's my value. That's what I have. If I borrow $1 million on margin, I don't have 1,038,000 balance. I have 38. I pay back the million, it's still 38. As I understand it, that's correct, isn't it? If they said, they won't say you've got to pay back the entire amount. It'll come in stages. But it might say you've got to pay back $5,000. So I would sell $5,000 worth of stock and the balance will remain the same. I just won't have that stock anymore. That's what happens. That's what happens. It doesn't go to zero. I don't. If I have 38 and I borrow 38, I don't go to zero. They will liquidate outstanding margin with the largest positions you have on most brokerage accounts. Not sure about Robinhood. That's right. So I will end up with $38,000. I won't have zero because that's my money. Any advice, videos, seminars I would see to learn more about this? Noah, we don't sell training programs. We just trade live together every day. It's free to watch. You can be a member and talk to our and get access to exclusive content and get access to our angel investor, get access to our big traders on Discord and all the other perks and benefits. If you have 6,000 in margin, you will go down 6,000. If you have 6,000 in margin, you will go down 6,000 on your overall portfolio. Hang on, that doesn't make any sense. Because when I've sold my stocks, my balance doesn't change. It just goes into margin first. If you have 6,000 in margin, you will go down 6,000 on your overall portfolio. No, I don't think that's correct, market. I don't think that's right, because if I sold $10,000 now of Tesla, my margin would go down by 10,000. My balance remains the same. It's just my margin. Whatever outstanding margin you have will be deducted off your overall portfolio. Whatever outstanding margin you have will be deducted off your overall portfolio. Yes, I understand. What I'm investing is including margin, but my portfolio, what the value I have on the screen is that the value it remains. Okay, I joined the Discord. Okay, well, you're a non-member of the YouTube channel. Okay, let me tell you how it works. You can watch the show for free. You can take part in all the different events we have for free, and so on. You can see Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through. We have a high security on our channel. It takes 10 minutes. You can only see the public channels. You can't see the private channels, the members exclusive. And when I say member, I mean YouTube member exclusive channels. Okay? If you want them, plus the pre-IPOs, plus the exclusive content, plus you want me to sing happy birthday to you on your birthday, you want a 20-minute concert where we raise money for you or special events, there are many, many, many things you get as a member. You don't get any of that if you're not a member of the channel. Member of the channel, I will give you the invitation now. Can you see people with badges after their name? Most people who watch the show every day are members of the channel. And you ask any of those, don't ask me, ask the members why they're members. And they will tell you that they get back at least 10 times back what they put in. All right, that's the invitation to become a member. If you are a member, you get a whole host of special features. All right, you will get on the homepage of my YouTube channel. If you want me to promote your channel, I'll make a video for you as a manager of your channel and post it to your channel and get everyone on my channel to watch it. If you are a YouTuber, you get access to all the exclusive contents on Discord. You get loads and loads of perks. There's the invitation if you wish to become a member of the channel. Bronze, silver, and gold. And we have some sponsors as well that sponsor the channel. But now you are on Discord. Here is all the free links as well. A lot of people sponsor me, and I give a lot of things away for free. Here is the all links button if you wish to do that. There you go. Check all those links out. A lot of free stocks, free giveaways, all my social media, all that great stuff. Nicholas Morello, SP500 at 3,000. %12 down now. Google's cloud division continues to mount losses. The unit lost 931 million during the quarter. Not good. That was one of the most profitable divisions. For $3 a month, why wouldn't anyone join? Must be mad not to. There you go. Ali will explain to you why he's a member. I'm here hours and hours a day live. I earn nothing from my videos. The live videos, just a couple of bucks a day. It's hardly anything. And on Friday, regardless of my account, regardless of how much money I lose, on Friday, I will be here on Friday providing a cash giveaway for everyone. Ali, very funny. Here is the video if you want to go and watch. This is for our new member, our new guest today. There we go. Post it 3 times for you. Cash giveaway on Friday. You need to watch the whole of that video. Otherwise, it won't count. Robinhood is tanking now. It's collapsing. Tesla 870. Lucid. Microsoft. Okay. We have got the Google earnings report. You are kidding me. Robinhood announced it's firing 9% of its entire workforce. Okay, so here we are. We're going to end the show right now. We'll be back in 15 minutes. 15 minutes, we'll be back for the after hours with Google earnings report. All come and join me. I'll be right back in 15 minutes. I've got to end the show right now, so I'm going to end the show, set up for the earnings report. See you all back in 15 minutes time for the earnings report. We'll be here early, so you've got a 15-minute break now. I'll see you all back in a minute. This is a very dramatic night for me. I'm very emotional. Take care, brother. I'm going to bed. Much love you all. Noah, thank you ever so much indeed. See everybody back. YouTube ad revenue 6.9 billion. Missing expectation is 7.4 billion. Ouch. YouTube ad revenue. Yeah, they could give some of that to me. All right. Okay. So, no surprise there, really. I'll see you all back in a few minutes' time. Take care of yourselves and each other.